Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the watermark in a Gamma guide. It's actually really easy and simple. So I have created this a PowerPoint here about, football, okay? And basically guys, I have just noticed they have mixed soccer and football in the same PowerPoint Gamma AI. But so how do you get rid of the watermark, guys? I'm going to show you just how. Because let's say you come here and click on share. All right. And when you try to export this, okay, let's say as a PowerPoint, it will have the made by Gamma badge, okay? Unless you subscribe to Plus, guys, it's gonna have this badge, guys. You pay $8 a month if you pay for yearly, or if you pay for monthly, then it's $10 a month, guys, okay? But if you don't want this, you know, watermark, what you can do, guys, is this, okay? Just come here and click on present right here, this drop down, and just put on this tab. So once it starts presenting, guys, we're gonna have this without any, look, we don't have any watermark right here. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this from the snipping tool. And now I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy this, guys, and I'm going to put it in my PowerPoint document here. Now we just resize this, and I'll repeat this process for every single slide, guys. Okay, look, I'm just gonna resize this. There's literally no watermark, guys. So I just move on to the next slide here, and I repeat that same process, guys. Check this out. I do that to the next one. Here, next slide. We move on to the next slide. Take a screenshot of this one as well. And boom, guys, literally that easy and simple. I just keep repeating this process for the whole presentation, and we are going to have